Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. I am normally shopping on Monday. Today's not Monday, but I'm going to get into the store, get about a little over half a week of groceries. I had so much food left over from our Super Bowl party this weekend. A lot of what I'm using is pantry, freezer, or leftover stuff that's going to get us through the week, which means I have a smaller haul, which my budget's thankful for, and my time. Let's get in, see the goodies, and don't forget, at the end, I'll share with you my meal plan for the week, and any recipes will be linked below. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna get some wheat thins, but I don't want reduced fat. Okay, I'm getting some thin wheats, $2.35, and garlic and chive pita chips, $2.39. We're having charcuterie this weekend, and I need a few more crackers. $3.29. I'm gonna try these freeze-dried apples instead of strawberries to finish out the week for lunches. Okay, we're getting baguette, $1.59 for charcuterie. Okay, I'm making a decision. I'm going to save the dried apples for charcuterie, and then I'll get blueberries for the lunches, and probably a little bit on the charcuterie board as well. $2.89. I'm making Greek sheet pan chicken again this weekend. $3.49 for lemons, which I need for the Greek sauce and for the chicken. I'm going to make a lot of it, so it'll carry over into next week, so that'll be nice. I'm out of lettuce, and I need this for salads, $2.69. Mini cucumbers. My kids love these to snack on for lunches. Charcuterie board. I'm gonna get 2 packs at $1.89. I'm gonna roast some Brussels sprouts, $2.59. Holy crap, eggs are $3.12 a dozen again. I'm getting a gallon of 2% milk at $2.67. Just running low. And then a thing of heavy cream because we're out at $4.69. Okay, a pack of butter, $3.69. I wanted red onions. They're completely out, dang it. I used the rest of the peanut butter to make cookies, and then my husband didn't have any peanut butter for his peanut butter shake, so I need to make it up. And I'm getting a small peanut butter for $1.89 because they're completely out of the large cans. I wasn't thinking. I just went to Walmart to grab cheese and hot chocolate. I should have looked for peppercinis because they still don't have them here. They only have the slices. But I'm getting artichokes for Elsie salads, and then also for charcuterie. These are $2.59. We're gonna keep going down the line here. We're gonna get some baby pickles, $1.69. And Kalamata olives at $2.09. And I'm also gonna get these Spanish olives for $1.59. Okay, I changed my mind. I'm putting these ones back, and I'm gonna get these instead. I know they're a little more, but we love them. $2.99. $2.79. I'm actually gonna grab 2 packs of these apple juices. My daughters weren't taking juice boxes for a while, but now one of them wants them again. So 2 packs at $2.79 each. Okay, it's Valentine's Day, guys. They have lots of flowers. You know they're not going to be here long. They're going to be picked over. But lots of pretty selections from $9.99 to $14.99. And then they even have $5.99. They will disappear though. They have different orchids, flowers, premium bouquets, or if your lady is more into pretzels and brownies, they have those too. Lots of kitchen items this week. These are really pretty. The stoneware back there, I love the blue. I don't know if it's been here a while. I haven't noticed it, but it's marked down already. I love this. I have a giant wok. I use it for stir fries. Such a great tool. If you don't have one and you like stir fries, it's a good investment. Drawer organizers. Oh, the knives. Those actually look pretty nice. I might have to get these. I'm tempted by those, but I just don't know. Do I actually need more knives? Oh, different washi tapes. So pretty. More journals. Okay, so it's monthly and weekly, double-sided pockets, sticker sheets, 12 months. Okay, Day before Valentine's Day, and look guys, very picked over. And this will all be on clearance tomorrow. Get it while you can. Wow, some of it's already on clearance. Ooh, I might get that for my husband. He loves Reese's. I will. $3.79. I ran out of jarred garlic, so I need more. $2.29. Something happened with this. That's a lot of wasted sesame oil. That's too bad. Getting shaker parmesan because we ran out. $2.95. We use this on buttered noodles, salads, bread. I don't know. So many things. Okay, we are approaching the chicken. I've been hoping for red sticker chicken, and I don't see any. Dang it. No red stickers. No favor with the stickers today. But I'm still gonna buy it. I'm gonna make this on Sunday. We'll have it for dinner Sunday, but then I'll use the chicken throughout the week. When I make the Greek chicken, we all like it so much that we can use it for multiple meals. Or at least those of us that like the meat. So this is what we have to use up, which inspired me to do charcuterie. And then we just kind of like doing it as a family, like movie night type thing. We have lots of like random cheeses open, so I don't really need much of that. I am gonna get more hummus because my daughters will eat vegetables with hummus frequently, and it's a really great addition to the charcuterie board. $2.49. And then this is my selfish edition because I'm the only one that eats this, but I love it so much. I will put this with the crackers, the cheese, the meats, the vegetables, everything. I just really have been loving this lately. It won't take me long to demolish it either. $3.39. My daughters have really been enjoying pepper jack cheese on crackers. It's a snack they've been having frequently, so I'm making sure I have pepper jack for the charcuterie board. That's like the only thing I think is missing. $1.99. My husband asked me to grab a frozen pizza for the freezer just to have on hand because we just didn't have one, and he was kind of wishing we had one at some point. So I'm either debating, do I get this one, the rising crust, or this one looks interesting, and I think people have said they like them online. Half pepperoni, half cheese, a Sasquatch pizza. I feel like he just wanted it. We were like in a pinch last week. We were gonna go out to eat. We didn't do it. I think this would be a win. $9.99 or $8.99. We're gonna try it. I'm tempted to try these eggplant fries. They sound good to me, but it'd probably be one of those that's better just to make homemade. But they have some new stuff here. They have different chicken, veggie, and beef tacos. I'm gonna hope that these are here next week. There's so many of them, but that'd be an easy dinner next week. But if I buy it now, what would I share with you next week? They have the Greek cheese spiral, garden medley vegetables, still have these tamales and pretzel bites. Oh, the broccoli looks really yummy to me. There's no price on it here though. It still has the pork tamale. Surprise pricing. Chicken taquitos, they still have the heart-shaped tots, but I feel like they're not a great value. Oh, the edamame. I bought that last time they had it. It's pretty good. I'm actually going to get it again. $2.29 for the shelled edamame. These are good with poke bowls. So I'm not having this for this week, but my daughter asked for poke bowls soon, so I'll have this. Maybe we'll have those next week. More to come, but $2.29. I've heard so many good things about those biscuits. I've never tried them yet, but they're $3.29. And they come with 12 biscuits. I might have to remember those for next week too, to see if they're here. I'm trying to get out of here without spending $1 billion. Ice cream bars, yummy stuff. Okay, my team Mila asked me to get flavored ice cream, so I'm gonna get $2.49 for chocolate chip cookie dough and cookies and cream. I've never in my life had Spam, but why am I tempted? Like, I see people from Hawaii share different recipes with Spam. I've always been tempted. This almost sends me there. $3.58. It'd be another one of those things that I'd be the only person in my family that would eat it. I've never had Spam though, so it's a little nerve-wracking to think of trying it. Different Celsius drinks. These are so yummy. $1.88 a piece. I'm going to get this for my daughter that's vegetarian. She's home today sick. It's vegan, and I think she'd really like this, so we'll give it a try. It's $2.98. Not something I buy frequently for a single serve price, but I think she'll enjoy that. Okay, here's my cart. I'm at the self-checkout. Any guess on my totals? Okay, my total is $104.60. Unfortunately, I forgot my bags. I moved them out of my car yesterday and completely forgot. At Walmart to get just a few items. So, a value pack of Swiss Miss, $7. Okay, and this is the real reason I had to come here. The quesadilla cheese is so good. $3.98. These are great for burrito tacos. Okay, my total was $10.48. Okay, since I went to Walmart before Aldi, I still need to get red onions and peppercinis, so I'm gonna go to Meijer now. Meijer has the onions, 3 pounds, right, 2 pounds for $3.49, and I love that they're not all giant, so I have red onions for my Greek chicken pan. Okay, peppercinis. What? 32 ounces is $4.59 or 16 ounces is $3.99. Don't need to be a genius to know this is a much better value. I'll get this one, thank you very much. I changed my mind since I don't want that big of a jar. This is still a better value than the other one. Italian seasoned pepperoncinis, $1.99. That looks really good to me. And it's a smaller jar, so I'll get these. Okay, it's Fat Tuesday, which is Punchki Day, so I'm gonna get Punchkis. I'm gonna get the Bavarian cream-filled ones. They're $4.49. They have different flavors, but this is the one I like the best, and I'm shopping. But I see they have Bavarian. All these are Bavarian, but they have cinnamon sugar or powdered sugar. I see raspberry, more Bavarian. Some bakeries go all out with flavors, but I guess Meijer has Bavarian or raspberry, and we're gonna go Bavarian. Okay, my total at Meijer for all 3 items is $9.97. Good news. Are the noodles good? Okay, so tonight we are having Instant Pot ziti, and I'm making homemade rolls. I'm going to shape them like hearts for Valentine's Day. I had everything on hand for this except for the Parmesan. And then I'm going to do roasted Brussels sprouts. Tomorrow on Wednesday, we're going to Qdoba. We were going to do this last week, and it never worked out, so we are moving it to tomorrow because it actually works out on Valentine's Day. Qdoba does a buy one, get one entree, and so it's very cost-effective to go tomorrow instead. So we're doing that. Thursday, my husband and I are going out on a date instead of going on Valentine's Day. Our first day officially boyfriend and girlfriend 20 years ago was on February 15th, so that's more special, and hopefully we're going on a date. So I'm not planning a dinner because my in-laws will probably have my kids, and if they dinner here, well, it'll just be something easy from the pantry. Burrito tacos on Friday. I made all this beef in the crock pot for the Super Bowl, so I have leftover beef with the consomme dipping sauce all ready to go. I just have to reheat it, and we'll have tacos with it instead of the nachos that we had on the Super Bowl. Saturday, we're having charcuterie. I had to buy quite a bit for this, but I'm using up a lot of things that are already open. So this will be a good meal. We'll do kind of a family movie night with that. I'm looking forward to it. Sunday, I'm going to make a giant pan of Greek chicken. I'm going to use all 4 of those breasts, and I make a homemade sauce, a dressing with it. And then we'll have Greek bowls later next week, but on Sunday, we're going to have mashed potatoes, the chicken. It'll be a really yummy, warm, homey meal. And Monday was already in the past, so that was yesterday, and we just had leftovers, basically. If you want to see how I kind of throw together a charcuterie meal with all the ingredients, you can check out this very old video of mine right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.